just going to do a quick operation video here, demonstrate everything does work. Go ahead and horn works. Let's go ahead and we can turn on the lights and fog lights, and I'll show you that from outside there. I'll have hazards on also, so you can see those. The AC, you can see that. AC controls down here. Works super well, blows nice and cold. We did post a photo of that. From there, we can show you the sunroof. Cycles back and forth, nice and smooth. It's actually pretty fast. It's very nice. Let's go ahead and head outside and I can show you the pop-up headlights. Those are working. Got the blinkers on. Fog lights are on the bottom there. Blinkers are working, brake lights are on, and even the license plate lights are on there. Show you the windows going up and down. They work very well. No weird noises. Hop back at the car. I'll go ahead and show you guys. Headlights pop down really nicely. Fog lights off. Stereo works great. Has actually a really nice sound. Good bass.